An 8K drone with a built-in screen and obstacle avoidance? This might be one of the smartest budget drones of 2026. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're checking out the Intelligent Aerial Photography Drone, a compact quadcopter packed with dual cameras, smart flight features, and a screen controller. First impression, this drone is small, lightweight, and beginner-friendly. Compact size, easy to carry. Full protective design for safer flights. Foldable style convenience. Perfect for travel and casual use. One standout feature? 4.3-inch built-in display controller. No phone needed, just power on and fly. Super simple, especially for beginners. Let's talk camera. 8K high-definition camera, dual camera switching, front plus bottom, 180-degree adjustable angle. Can support photos and videos. You can capture aerial shots, downward views, creative angles. Great for social media content. This drone comes packed with smart features. Optical flow hovering for stability, one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode for easy control, 360-degree rolling for fun tricks, speed switching modes. Even beginners can fly it easily. This drone is with 700 mAh battery, decent flight time for casual use, stable short to mid-range control. Not a long-range pro drone, but great for everyday flying. This drone is perfect for content creators, beginners learning to fly, casual aerial photography, fun flying, and tricks. So, is it worth it? Easy to use, built-in screen controller, dual camera system, fun features for beginners. But 8K is more marketing than pro quality. Limited battery and range. Not for professional filming. Still, for the price, it's a fun and beginner-friendly drone. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.